It only takes 10 seconds to tie a perfect tie knot. Yeah, that's right. 10 seconds. If you don't want to upset your boss, we recommend not showing them this video. They'll suddenly be wondering why you're still late every morning if your tie only takes 10 seconds. It's probably that double shot cappuccino you pick up from Steve on the way to the office. Now, here's how it looks in real time. Okay, now let me slow it down for you, my friend. Not even Usain Bolt could follow that. Let's dive in. Place the tie around your neck with the wide end lower than the skinny end. Adjust according to your height. Cross the wide end over the top of the skinny end to create a cross. Wrap the wide end behind the skinny end and pull it towards your left. Cross it over the knot towards your right. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Push it down through the loop you've created in the front. Pull down on the wide end to tighten the knot. Slide the knot up towards your neck and adjust as you need. All right. Now that's how you do a 10-second tie. Practice makes perfect. Now you just have to transition to homemade coffees to make it to that 8 a.m. meeting. For our full range of ties, check out otie.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.